Library sources allow Office at Work apps to connect, to store, and to use assets like templates, slides, images, and more. To enable library sources, you can navigate to your app and then go to the Library Sources card. SharePoint is the most used library source. It is used for small and large organizations as it allows tight control over where libraries are created. If in doubt, we recommend using SharePoint-based libraries, and therefore you would enable the SharePoint library source. To manage a library source, you can click on the Manage to get to the Settings panel for that library source. Once you have decided on your settings, you can click on Save to save your changes. Teams is often disabled for larger organizations and only frequently used for smaller organizations. The reason for this is that any owner of a team can create an Office at Work library in any team they own. This can lead to having too many libraries and users not knowing where to find the assets they need. Some smaller organizations prefer using Teams-based Office at Work libraries over SharePoint-based ones as the administration effort is smaller. A Teams-based library will by default be available to all members of that team. The OneDrive library source is for individual use only and mostly used during the evaluation of the Office at Work app. Almost all customers disable this source as they do not want individuals to store organizational resources in the user's personal OneDrive, especially as assets in OneDrive-based libraries cannot be shared among users. Please be aware that the library sources available can vary between the different Office at Work apps. Unsplash and Pixabay are two library sources that offer royalty-free images. If organizations have their own branded images, then these two library sources are usually also disabled. Smaller organizations with no branding on images might want to enable these sources as they offer a large number of images for all sorts of applications. If your organization uses Frontify to manage branded assets, you can enable the library and easily connect your Frontify account. Just enter your Frontify domain URL and give the library a name.